Locksmith Cheney WA. Fast response for EWU students and homeowners. Cheney, Washington, home to Eastern Washington University, needs reliable locksmith services that understand both student and family needs. Whether you're locked out of your apartment near campus or need to secure your home, River City Lock and Key provides fast, professional service to the Cheney community. Common locksmith needs in Cheney. College towns have unique locksmith requirements. EWU students frequently need emergency lockout services, especially during finals week when stress levels are high. Off-campus apartments often require rekeying when tenants change, and property managers need master key systems for efficient building access. Cheney homeowners face typical residential security concerns, from upgrading locks in older homes to installing modern deadbolts that meet insurance requirements. Many families moving to Cheney for the quality schools and affordable housing need complete lock replacements when purchasing homes. Visit the link in the description below for more information.